Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing unboxing video about Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which I ordered a month ago and it came pretty late. So I'm excited to see what's in it. And actually, I ordered creator bundle, so it has a couple of packets included within it. So without further ado, let's dive into unboxing. Okay, this is the box that I got and let's see what's in it. Okay, first thing first, we have got this Insta360 which looks very sleek. We have mini 2-in-1 tripod, a screen protector, fast charging hub, battery, a SD card. Let's take a closer look inside this box. Okay, wow, it has camera. This is the paste itself. It has two intuitive buttons. This one is for record and this one is for power button. So this is Leica engineered lens, which is protected one. So it has a port here for magnetic mount, and I think, yeah, this is a magnetic mount. So this is flippable screen, which is handy for creators to see what their content looks like. Okay, and on the side it has SD card button and a battery button. So it has a battery inside it. This looks really premium. So inside this is another additional battery. So I have all total 3 batteries. So I'm quite excited for this camera to run quite long. So this is our magnetic addition, which is quite strong. It holds onto the camera very strongly. So let's keep this aside and see what's in it. It has a Type-C cable. It also has a sticker, maybe someone uses it. And it has a waterproofing thing, so the things we need to know. It has a warranty card too. And this is quick start guide. So also it has safety guidelines. So once you know it, and this is a cap for underwater thing. We can remove this speaker cap and then have it here to protect our camera while using underwater. So this is all what's included with the creator bundle. So that's it for the unboxing of Insta360 Ace Pro 2 creator bundle. The combination of Leica lenses, 8K video capability, and all of these thoughtful extras has me pumped to try it out. So stay tuned to see my next video where I'll take this camera on an adventure and show you how incredible the footage can be. Till then, like, subscribe and drop a comment. Say which feature of Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is yours favorite. See you soon.